Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we are going to be comparing two of our favorite convertible car seats, the Nuna EXEC and the Nuna RAVA. But before we do, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment any car seat questions you have below. Let's get started. To begin, we'll first review what a convertible car seat is. A convertible car seat is an all-in-one car seat that can accommodate infants, toddlers, and sometimes even children until they are ready to sit directly on the vehicle seat. Nuna is known for making excellent convertible car seats that provide both comfort and practicality. We love both the Nuna EXEC and the Nuna RAVA. Let's see how they compare in design. Both car seats are made with an all-steel frame and come with side protection pods. While the EXEC has stationary pods, the pods on the RAVA need to be manually popped out depending on the side of the car seat is closest to. The EXEC and the RAVA additionally feature washable knit fabric. The fabric along with the foam are both flame resistant and contain no added fire retardant chemicals. This fabric was chosen to create greater ventilation so that your little one doesn't overheat. Additionally, the RAVA and EXEC come with removable infant inserts that are also machine washable. These two car seats also come in different colors to fit your style. A feature we love is that these car seats are both aircraft certified, which makes traveling so much easier. As for weight capacity, these car seats have the same weight capacity for both rear-facing mode and forward-facing mode. The only difference is that the EXEC has an additional booster mode and can accommodate a child from 40 to 120 pounds. These two car seats have different weight and dimensions, but both are able to fit 3 across in the back seat. The RAVA and EXEC both feature an adjustable headrest that is connected to the harness, which means there's no need for rethreading. They also feature a multiple position recline and footrest. For the EXEC, this footrest acts as an anti-rebound panel, which provides extra safety when in rear-facing mode. One of our favorite features on both of these car seats is the pop-out cup holders. These can be popped out or stowed away. When it comes to installation, they can be installed with the seatbelt or latch system in both rear-facing mode and forward-facing mode, though Nuna recommends a seatbelt installation as the safest method. That wraps up our comparison today. We love both the RAVA and the EXEC. They are long-lasting convertible car seats that are super user-friendly. When deciding between the two, simply ask yourself if you want the booster feature provided by the EXEC. If not, the RAVA is still an amazing car seat. To learn how to install these car seats, check out these videos. You can purchase these Nuna car seats on babycubby.com. We offer price matching and free shipping on orders of $25 or more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.